It's giving me I may work better on your hair than the new product.
From you wake up every morning, use a winner, yeah.
What's going on, guys? It's your girl Razor in the ding, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, hey boo, and if you're returning, what's up, what's up, what's up? This product is one of the OGs of the OGs. You have to have used this product before. Obviously, I haven't because it has entered the chat. If you're unfamiliar with my deep conditioner hunt videos, these are usually products that I have never used before, or I really don't remember how it worked on my hair. Have you guys used it before? I see it all over in almost every beauty supply store. And we're going to try it out today to see if it still deserves to be on the shelf. And the product of choice today is the Originals by Africa's Best Olive Oil Deep Conditioner for weak damaged hair, formulated with extra virgin olive oil. What are the claims, or are they lies? Basically, this product claims to moisturize, strengthen, and revitalize. I just basically summarized it for you guys. For all hair types, it says that it's excellent for natural, relaxed, pressed, textured, color treated, and pressed hair. Smell test. Whew. Whew. It smells like something I've smelled before. We used the cholesterol treatment from this brand recently on the channel. It has a similar smell. Smells like an OG. It's giving me I've been around. It's giving me I may work better on your hair than the new products. I'm just kidding. But anyway, shade. But texture test. Thick and creamy. Wait, back to the smell. It has a signature perfumish smell, but not too strong. Yes, back to the texture. Thick, creamy. Feels like it's moisturizing already. Put this back here. Watery. The color is green. I like my money. Well, money should be green. If your money is brown, then anyway, let's see what the hair is talking about. My hair has been shampooed, only shampooed. Beautiful. We have arrived. I'm ready to be sectioned to apply this on my hair. Like, no. Okay, so let's do that. I like to start at the back. Get my hair wet because it has been sitting out for a while. So let's spritz it. So yeah, because I like to apply my deep conditioners on, let's say, wet hair, but because I usually do this in the shower, we're reviewing a product today. I want to include you guys in the process. Don't you want to be included in the process? Anyway, let's do our first application. Take a good amount, rub it together in my hands, and we're going to apply. Usually I start in the middle, then I end up at the bottom or the ends, and then I just work my way up. I like to apply it on the big section first. So even though it's thick, it did go on as I expected. From the texture, it went on watery, and you guys saw how that just disappeared into my hair. You saw how quick that was? But we need some more water, and I definitely will have to break this up into smaller sections. It literally just melted in my hair, and to be honest, it feels like I didn't really apply anything on my hair because it just disappeared. Okay, so let's continue to break this down into smaller sections so we can apply some more. Put this away. This is the bad boy texture at the back that takes a lot to be impressed, so we're gonna have to apply some more. And now I'm going to really work that in and detangle. So straight off, a little bit does not go a long way. I have to apply a lot more, but it is soaking into my hair real quick. It's not giving moisturizing as yet though. In your cuticles, not really moisturizing, but I'm in there, and hopefully with some heat or some more time, I'm going to do what I'm supposed to do. That's what it's giving. Hydrated though, because I have low porosity hair, and usually it takes products some time to soak in, but it was soaked in because you can see the shine. Now we have this texture. See, I know this is a product that will need time because I have a little bit in this section, and you can see it's working into the hair. Every product is different. Every product will work differently on your hair, and I understand that. So I'm just telling you guys my experience the one time as I put it on for the first time. Okay, so let's apply some more. As I'm applying, I'm not wowed. I'm not impressed. These roots though. So let's get at this texture. Wet the hair. apply on the big section, and I'm applying a generous amount actually, since I realized a little does not go a long way for my hair, but that's all right, that's okay. Apply some more water. The building blocks of life, no, that's a cell. You know what, I thought application would have been a bit more easier on this texture, but it's not. I really hate when I'm doing my hair and I have to refill my bottle. It just messes with the flow. You guys know, bottled water. Ready again. Let's move on to the top section. I have to really saturate this part of my hair with water. It's drenched. Get some on the ends. Yeah, it's taking a bit longer into the top part of my hair. Well, this texture of my hair. So I really have to continue to break it down to get at my roots, especially so I'm not ripping at my hair. We did get a little struggle at the top, but this is one of the products I'll really have to wait and see how it works on my hair. So let me do the other side. Application is done and I'm curious to see how my hair is going to look and feel after I rinse this out. But before that, I'm gonna apply a plastic bag because I don't have any plastic caps right now, and plastic bags can work just as fine. And then I'm going to put on my heated cap because I've been very lazy to deep condition and to set under the hooded dryer, and to be honest, the heated cap works just as fine and I can get to do other things around the house. So 1 second, bada bing and bada boom. I'm gonna leave this on for a couple minutes, get something to eat, so it'll be more than 5 minutes. So see you soon. Hair is rinsed out. Let me show you guys what it looks like. It's the movement for me though. Ooh, my hair feels really soft and moisturized. Let's take the hair out the face. Oh, wow, okay, so the claims basically were to moisturize, strengthen, and revitalize. Moisturized, check. Hair is very moisturized and soft. Strengthened, yes, somewhat. It's not, you know, overly strengthened. It's like a balance, a real good balance between the moisture and the strength. From I was applying, my hair felt revitalized, so we don't even have to test that claim because we tested that before, but still, yes, revitalized, check. All 3 checks. And the extra benefit is the softness. Yeah, I used half of it. This is 15 ounces, and there's about 1 more use in there. Long hair problems. To be honest, this is something I would definitely reuse and repurchase, and I would recommend you guys to try it out. Actually, I don't think it was that expensive. I don't remember how much I spent for it. Products are usually just expensive anyway for me because of living on an island. Yeah, love it. My hair feels so good, you guys. Wow. But anyway, my hair is drying out. I'm gonna prepare my hair to style. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye.